welcome to my channel. I just came back from the market and I got some bottle guard for my dog and much needed amenities for me. But first of all, I'm still losing breath. I'm still acclimatizing with the weather because मुझे अभी भी थोड़ा सा सांस चढ़ रहा है. And what's with the hill? मतलब मैं जब climb कर रही हूँ ऊपर, मैं seriously backache हो रहा है. I mean, I don't know if it's with me or if it's like acclimatizing with the hill climbing also, because my back hurts so much. And मैंने इतना walk भी नहीं करा. I just walked for like 20 minutes. Also losing breath. Yeah, that's happening. And much TMI, too much information is यार यहाँ पे जो सब्जी है वो कितनी महंगी है. It's like the bhaiya told me that kele is for 200 rupees dozen. I mean, I get it for 40 rupees in Delhi. I don't know. I'm like, no, I can survive without carbs. फिर कभी लूँगी, कब सस्ता होगा. So it's 8 a.m. here in Ladakh. Let me show you my kitchen. This is my kitchen. It's very small, and these are my eggs that I have to make. And I love the kitchen. It's very cute and aesthetic. Also, I mean, cooking here is very like different because whenever I'm boiling eggs, they are always breaking. They are not boiling hard. मतलब I don't know, something is wrong with the weather or I don't know what. I mean, please help me if you have any suggestions. Like जब मैं boil कर रही हूँ eggs को here, वो फूट रहे हैं सारे के सारे. They are not boiling at all and I am always thinking मेरे 10 eggs खराब हो चुके हैं अभी तक कि यार क्या हो रहा है. So finally I am losing breath again. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is keep the eggs in normal water for some time, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. उनको थोड़ा temperature को normal होने दूँगी and then maybe I'll boil it because I don't know, वो हमेशा फूट रहे हैं and that's like a big problem for me because I have to make food for my dog and वो फिर मुझे उसको कुछ और ही feed करना पड़ता है. First, I'm just gonna make green tea for myself because that's the morning ritual that I have almost every day of my life.